Hey everyone, this is Jane here again, and just here to show you. I said I'd do a little haul. This isn't everything that I got, but it wasn't a very expensive haul at all. I think the whole thing came to about 20 quid altogether, and I bought it with some Christmas money that I had, so I feel very justified in that. So some of the first things I got, I love these, were some little kind of Tim Holtzy type stickers of like Victorian-y ladies. So when you're making vintage journal, really, really cute. Love those. I also got this packet of Tim Holtz, kind of like postcardy type things, but there's different sizes. And they're all vintagey type pictures, really unusual pictures. Let me turn them up the right way. So they're great. They're blank on the back, so they're great for like making journal cards or using in little journals. These are great for me because they'll fit into the little mini journals that I make. So those are great. Really, really pleased with those. I think I just got them from Amazon or something. I had an Amazon voucher for Christmas, so that's where I got those. These are just little labels, little numbery type things. I like those. They're quite handy if you're going to do collaging and you want to just put a little focal point. They're really handy. So those are great. You can make those sort of things by tearing them out of magazines or doing them on digital and then cutting them up and making them like that. You can do that. But yeah, I just bought them because they were easier. And then I've got this little booklet of foresty animals. I've kind of got an idea that I'd like to do a magical forest mini journal at the moment, so I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that, but that's my plan. I got this from eBay. I've actually got two of these, but I'm not quite sure what I've done with the other one. It's around here somewhere, but I'm not quite sure where I put it. This is an old letter, handwritten letter. I can't actually honestly say that I've read it properly yet because I've not had it long. But you have to be really careful with it because it's quite delicate. And it's that hole that was in it there was already in it. So it was, and I bought it like that. And I knew it was like that, so it's fine. My plan is to scan this in and use it in some digitals, and then I may keep it or I may put it into one of my journals when I've made it. So that's lovely. The handwriting on that's lovely. Things like scanning in the postmark will be good, and the address on there. Really, really lovely. And I've got two of those. I'm not quite sure what I've done with the other one, but it's bound to be around here somewhere. I just can't remember exactly what I can't put my hands on it this second. So it's bound to be here somewhere. It's definitely not going anywhere. And then I bought on eBay a couple of these old postcards. And I love these. I just think these might be really nice in like as a tuck that you can put into a vintage style journal. So I love those. I think they're really cool. So those are also things that I bought. Then I bought some, these are just some other little stickers and things I treated myself to. I love these little tickets. They're really cute. I can't remember where I got those exactly. It might have been Shine, it might have been Amazon. I think that actually might have been Shine. But anyway, those are cute. I really like those. Nice little things to play with. And then I treated myself to some sari silk. Now, I use a lot of sari silk in my journals. I use them to do the edges. I use them to do the spines. So they're really, I use them a lot. And the lady that I buy my sari silk from runs an Etsy store called The Happy Black Cat, I think it is, or The Black Cat Shop. I can't remember. I'll put a link in the video below But she started to do these thick ones, and I thought they would be great. That would be great for a spine. So I bought myself a purpley one of those. Really happy with that. And she does some beautiful stuff. And so got some kind of neutral as well. So I'm running out of the neutrals. And also I got these other kind of like lilac-y, purpley, blushy, and this lovely Paris one. She also does one with like a key on it. I'm dying to get a piece of that, so I'm going to keep an eye on when that comes back into stock, because that's out of stock at the moment. But those are my Sari silks. And I also got this from her. Now, I can't remember exactly what this is called, but it's got a really funny texture to it. And I really like it. And I just think that maybe when I do my Magical Forest journal, this might be quite nice to either have as the cover or to go onto the cover. So if I do, for example, if I do a cover like this and I use maybe something similar to this on the inside, this would be great to have on the outside. So you had like and you could maybe do this, dye this brown, or use some brown ink so that it looks like a tree bark. That was my idea of what I might do with that. So yeah, going to be a lot of fun playing with that. So that came from the same lady as did this. So I just got a little piece of it just to try it out and see what I could do with it. And then if I like it, or if I can do something good with it, I can get some more. So that is my little mini haul of bits and bobs that I've got from Etsy and Amazon and a few bits from Shine to work on some junk journals in January. Thank you very much for watching. If you've liked having a look through, then please just give it a thumbs up, do the notification bell, then you'll get notified if there are any more videos coming up, which there will be soon. And I will look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.